What's up? What is going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time you're watching this video. Thank you for checking on the channel again, once again. And today, I'm gonna talk about something important to me, kind of. And it's not really too much involved in the video per se. It's more about me talking to you guys. But right now, today, I got my acceptance, kinda, quote unquote, acceptance into a first sponsorship, as you can say, with Rough Country. I know I mentioned them in the last video, and I told you I was going to be getting their 6-inch lift kit, and luckily that's just what I'll be doing in August. I'm going to have the money in August, and I'm going to be getting their 6-inch lift kit, and they were so kind to me to give it to me for a sponsorship sort of deal. So, well, that being said, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how to get that. I've actually inquired a couple of other companies, and they've actually gotten back with me, and we're going to be making some progress with those companies. So, without further ado, I'm going to teach you exactly what I did and just give you some little tips and pointers if you want to make your truck or car or anything that you're trying to get involved in easier with sponsors. Okay, so I kind of stole this from a Instagram video, and I actually applied it. So that's things about life is you're going to want to explore new options and implement those options in your daily routine, or implement those options in something that you would like to get done. So I explored this option from someone, I don't remember who it was, but it was an IGTV video, and it actually it just simply stated that whatever you want to do with a company that you're actually trying to grow your own personal business with, or something like that, say Instagram or your YouTube, or just per se truck. So right now we're going to want a sponsor for the truck, and I've taken this platform and I used it for several companies already today, and I've already gotten emails back about sponsorships. Now, am I going to have to spend money? Yes. Is it the same amount of money as the listed price? No, but there's going to be a discount to that. Well, there's going to be an advantage to that, because I'm going to be giving them YouTube content with it. I'm going to be tagging them in photos. I'm going to be spreading their names around as much as I can. I'm going to support the company. But what happened was, I clearly stated in the emails that, you know, you want something to, you don't want to ask for a gift. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't want to ask for something just to be given to you. You want to work for it. And a simple way to work for it in words is, or letters, you're just going to ask simply, hey, I am so-and-so, I come from so-and-so, I have so-and-so, and blah, blah, blah. But ask for, you want to give them more than what they're going to give you, per se. So I simply inquired Rough Country, and I told them that I will make them the best YouTube review video they've ever seen. I will constantly spread their name out. I will tag them in every single photo. I will do a professional photo shoot for them and tag them in everything. And I'm just going to constantly be giving to them as they've given just a little bit to me. And it's simply what you want to do is you don't want to put more on the table for them than they're giving you from the get-go. And who knows, maybe later on they'll give you more things, you know what I'm saying? They'll give you more discounts. They'll give you actually free stuff. You never know. You know what I'm saying? So you want to get on, you're going to want to start small, and then you're just going to have to work your way up. So right now, got as a discount. It's still quote-unquote sponsored. So I'm going to be running that, and then I got in contact with Archon Wheels, and hopefully I'll hear something back from them soon. I heard something back from them, but I had to submit something else to hear back from them. And hopefully in the near future I can be running some Archon Wheels on there. But until then, I'm going to be running the 6-inch Rough Country lift with the 22x12 fuels so far. And if Archon doesn't get back to me within time, I'm either going to go full on Bubba truck with the stock 20 Denali's and some mud graps or something, or I'm just going to repowder coat these. Who knows? But that's simply how I actually got into the Rough Country situation I am in now. And that's actually exactly what I'm going to keep doing to expand my sponsorships and try and get more onto this build and for this YouTube channel for you guys. But enough of me blabbering. Tonight we're actually installing some interior lights. As much as you know and love, it's not going to be, you know, blinking, crap like that. It's just going to be clean, simple. I might actually install the remote, because I got like the 7-color one for the front, and I might just hardwire these for the back seat. I'm not sure yet. These might be going to the front seat, and then hardwire the other ones to the back seat. But we're going to do that, and yeah, not gonna have enough time to post it tonight because it's gonna be nighttime and I'm trying to get this video out for you tonight. Today is Monday and you're gonna see it Monday night. So you'll see these on the next video, hopefully Thursday or around there. I have some stuff going on. We're gonna show you the new boat on the channel. We got a John boat finally instead of the other one. And anyways guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you are having a great day. I hope you're enjoying the content on the channel. Much more to come, especially when the lift kit comes here and when we're doing an installation video or product review and much more. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you're having a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe.
Realest one is repping, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping, oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon. I know